Ever wondered how builders actually price construction work? Spoiler alert, they don't just pull numbers out of thin air, but sometimes they have to. To price a job properly, they need drawings. The more detail, the more accurate the price. If a builder only has a sketch, they're guessing a lot. If they've got full plans showing insulation, membranes, structure, they can figure out exactly what materials are needed. Once they know the materials they need, they can work out how long each trade will take. Bricklayers, joiners, roofers, all priced by time. Some builders do this all themselves, which can take days. Others send the drawings to builders merchants for material takeoffs, or to subcontractors for quotes. Some even hire a quantity surveyor or an estimator to help them cost it all. So when you ask for a quick quote, remember, it's never quick. A proper quote can take weeks to prepare. It's a lot of hard graft, not guesswork. Here's how to get the best out of your builder. Contact them once you've got your first draft of plans to get a general idea of cost. When your final drawings are ready, ask for a quote breakdown. And most importantly, be patient and show appreciation. Builders work hard, even before a single brick is laid.